Number 1. 1989 Ford F250, price $6,000. It has 81,000 miles on it and comes with an automatic transmission. Finished in blue, it is powered by a strong 7.3-liter International Harvester IDI diesel V8 engine. Driving well with brakes and tires in good condition, almost everything works, except for the windshield washer pump, the driver's side window motor, the internal fuel tanks, and the air conditioning. The heater, lights, and blinkers are all functional. Instead of the original internal fuel tanks, which are currently not in use, the truck draws fuel from an 8-foot bed-mounted workbox that also serves as a 60-gallon gas tank. While the truck can be driven home without issue, it does have a few needs. It requires a full fluid flush and an oil change, and it won't shift into fourth gear, which limits it to about 50 miles per hour. Number 2. 1988 Ford F250, price $10,000, finished in a classic green exterior with a beige interior. It runs on gasoline and is equipped with Ford's legendary 460 cubic inch 7.5L V8 engine. The truck features an automatic transmission paired with 4x4 capability and manual locking hubs, making it a reliable performer both on the highway and off-road. Inside, the cabin retains its original cloth bench seat and offers modern conveniences such as power windows and locks. The air conditioning blows ice cold, while the heater keeps the cab warm, ensuring comfort in every season. This F250 has been well cared for, with recent maintenance including a fresh oil change. It rides on factory wheels wrapped in all-terrain tires that still have plenty of tread. Adding to its appeal, it passed smog earlier this year, confirming that it remains road-ready and dependable. Number 3. 1990 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,500. This truck is a striking single-cab short bed pickup that blends classic style with serious off-road presence. Finished in white with a gray interior, it has traveled 95,000 miles and is powered by a dependable 350 motor paired with an automatic transmission. Running on gasoline, the truck delivers smooth power while retaining the rugged reliability Chevy trucks of this era are known for. Equipped with 4-wheel drive and upgraded with a 10-inch Pro Comp lift, this Chevy stands tall and ready for the trails. It rides on massive 26x14 off-road wheels that not only enhance its aggressive stance but also improve its off-road capability. The clean Texas title adds peace of mind, making it a well-rounded option for enthusiasts seeking both style and functionality. Hit that like button if classic trucks make your heart race. Want to help us keep these legends on the road? Drop a super thanks, every bit counts. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more badass builds and barn finds. Number 4. 1991 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,500, comes equipped with an automatic transmission. The exterior is finished in a classic gray, while the interior features a well-kept navy blue cabin that reflects how carefully the truck has been maintained over the years. It runs and drives exceptionally well with no mechanical issues whatsoever, making it a reliable option for both daily use and weekend cruising. The engine and transmission have both been rebuilt, and the seller provides extensive documentation to prove it, including receipts and a large stack of maintenance records that highlight the truck's history of consistent care. Inside, the navy blue upholstery remains in excellent condition, free of major wear, and gives the cabin a clean, original feel. The air conditioning system is intact and simply requires a can of Freon to restore cold air, showing that only minor attention is needed. Number 5. 1995 Ford F250, price $9,850. This truck comes with an automatic transmission and has covered 235,000 miles. Finished in classic white with a blue interior, it is powered by a diesel engine featuring the legendary Power Stroke turbo. Despite its age and mileage, the truck runs and shifts smoothly, showing the durability these models are known for. The vehicle is equipped with F450 10-lug 19.5-inch rear wheels paired with 8 to 10 lug adapters, while the front also rides on 19.5-inch wheels, all wrapped in good Continental tires. It comes with a tonneau cover for added utility, along with a new battery to ensure reliable starts. Number 6. 1969 Chevrolet C10, price $6,500. This truck shows 81,500 miles and is powered by a gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. The truck wears a vibrant blue exterior with a matching blue interior, giving it a cohesive and timeless look. Known as a fun pickup to drive, it runs strong and provides a smooth ride, although it does have a minor leak and some rust in the typical spots expected for its age. Inside, the cabin is in very nice condition, showing that it has been well cared for over the years. The C10 also sits on a set of beautiful wheels wrapped in great tires, which not only add to its appearance but also ensure it remains ready for the road. Number 7. 1984 GMC Sierra 2500, price $7,000. It is powered by a dependable setup and has recently had several important components replaced, including the radiator, water pump, starter, master cylinder, and rear brakes, ensuring it remains reliable on the road. The truck is equipped with two 16-gallon fuel tanks, though it is currently running on the passenger side tank, as the owner believes the sending unit for the other tank may need replacement. In addition, it was originally fitted with factory air conditioning. While the system is not functioning at the moment, all of the original components are still intact, making restoration possible for those who would like to bring it back to working order. Number 8. 1998 Chevrolet 1500, price $2,900. This truck comes with only 80,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with a 4.3L V6 paired to a 5-speed manual transmission. Finished in white with a gray interior, it runs and drives well, making it an appealing choice for anyone who appreciates classic Chevys and knows their way around a clutch. The truck remains mechanically sound overall. It features good tires, strong brakes, solid glass and lights, and a reliable transmission, clutch, and steering. Recently, several important components were replaced, including the radiator, starter, battery, and alternator. The tachometer has stopped working, and the injectors need to be replaced, though the parts have already been ordered. Despite this, the truck is still drivable, though it does produce smoke from the extra fuel. Number 9. 1968 Datsun 520, price $5,000. This truck has 99,000 miles on the odometer and comes finished in blue with a black interior. Originally equipped with a 1,300 cubic centimeters engine, it has been upgraded to an 1,800 cubic centimeters motor paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. The truck runs and drives well, benefiting from an aluminum radiator with dual electric fans and an electronic ignition system. It remains on stock suspension but is fitted with 4.88 rear-end gears. The braking system has been fully refreshed with rebuilt drum brakes, along with a new master cylinder and wheel cylinders. Currently registered with an A title, this classic Datsun pickup combines its vintage charm with a stronger power plant and reliable mechanical updates. Number 10. 1973 Ford F250, price $8,995. This pickup is a true barn find and a one-owner truck that offers both character and performance. Finished in a classic tan exterior with a contrasting black interior, it runs on gasoline and comes equipped with the powerful big block 429 7.0L engine, delivering plenty of muscle and an exciting driving experience. The truck is fitted with a 4-speed transmission and rides on 35-inch tires with a lifted stance, making it stand out on the road while still rolling smoothly down the freeway. Despite its age, it remains a great running truck, whether used as a daily commuter or as a fun project to restore further. All the original glass is still intact, and the heater works perfectly, adding to its appeal as a practical classic.